Okay, I'm at Karama now, Dubai, Nature Craft Showroom. Let's just check out what they have. Let's just walk in and see.
Hi, good morning.
Good
Welcome
morning.
to Nature Craft.
How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Oh, so tell me, what all do you have here?
Aside from the previous one, I have essential oils and aroma oils and fragrance oils. We have also salon products.
Okay.
Salon items, disposable like that.
Hmm.
As you can see, we have some displays.
Hmm.
This is the salt, which you can choose what kinds of fragrance you want
Okay.
as per your desire.
Okay.
We have also scrub, foot scrub and body scrub. We have also for nails, hair like cuticle remover, acetone, nail garden foot soap as well to treat your callus. And we have also kinds of products disposable like stickers for filing the callus and toenail separator.
Oh, very nice.
We
Yeah.
have also barber stick,
Okay.
which is you can disposable, and the nylon one we have. We have also hotel slipper, which is you can use in the hotel, so you can use also as personal in home. We have also disposable slipper for manicure, pedicure, and kinds of shampoo, conditioner that in a very affordable price.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice.
Then we have also these kinds of stuff like for curling the hair, kinds of combs, kinds of clips, hair clips, sectioning the hair, and donuts for the hair also.
Okay. Now these are essential oils.
Yes, these
Okay.
are our fragrance oils, and these are essential oils. We have also diffuser. Maybe you need some diffuser in your shop or in your salon. We have it electrical. We have stone diffuser, and we have also hair treatment like for rebonding, for treating protein and keratin.
Oh, nice. Very nice. I see that you have these items also. Okay.
Butter.
Okay. These are, what are these?
This is a beeswax,
Okay.
and the one is cocoa butter.
Okay.
That is, I mentioned before that you can use this one for soap making, candle making, perfumery, and etc. Okay, aside from that, sir, we have also kinds of disposable for manicure pedicure. We have also bed roll. We have also tissue roll and equipments as well for hair steaming and face steaming. And kinds of, we have also the biggest bath towel. We call it bath towel, which is the biggest size from the disposable towel. Manicure pedicure towel also available.
Okay.
And that's it. We have also lots of scissors, professional scissors for hair cutting. That is it.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
Okay, from disposable, let's go to hair colors. Hair colors also available, which is have a different kind of colors that you wanted and desire. Also hair bleaching and oxygen for using hair color in different volume, 10, 20, 30, and 40 available. Also, after hair coloring, if you want to maintain it, we have also hair mask. Kinds of hair mask which is in different flavor or kinds of to treat the hair for the anti-dandruff, hair fall, or natural like that.
What are these?
These are for making soap. We have transparent bathing bar soap, which is sulfate free melt and pour. I have also opaque bathing base soap, melt and pour. And I have also transparent soap base, melt and pour, which is the material that you will use in making soap. Sabon.
Oh, sabun.
Yes, sabon.
Yeah.
Before I forget, I have also ampoules. If you have problem in your hair, we have also for ampoules, keratin, and ampoules for making your hair less hair fall. Bath bombs I have, which is you use in bathing and soak your body. The smell and very nice smoothing skin. And also we have disposable hair cup and ear cup. And that's all. Hoping see you in our shop. Visit
Yeah,
our
sure,
shop.
sure. It was nice visiting your store. Let's see. Okay.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much for your time
You're welcome.
and for your explanations. Thank you.